Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in our XAMPP, localhost. So first of all, go to WordPress website and then click on download WordPress. So this is the WordPress download page. So here you can download the WordPress 5.7.2. So latest version will be updated here. So click on download and the zip file will be downloaded. So close this. So I'll cancel here. I have already downloaded the latest version. So I'll simply get it from there. Okay. So here this is the latest version I have downloaded. I'll copy this and paste here in our htdocs folder. Then delete this index file. We don't need that anymore. So now I'll extract it here. Okay, extract here. So WordPress files are getting extracted. After extracting, you don't need this zip file. You can delete it. Okay. So extraction is completed. Now I'll delete the zip file. And one more thing, files are located inside this WordPress folder. So if you want to run more than one WordPress installations, then you can keep like this, or you can change the name. So if you are working for any customer like news website, so you can keep like this. Whatever the folder name you have kept here, the same name you should open localhost / news website. Like this, whatever folder name is there, localhost / that folder name you should give. So I have kept the folder name as news website. That's why I need to give localhost / news website. So it will automatically redirect to admin and setup config.php. If you don't want news website, then you can simply move these files to localhost directly. htdocs folder. So delete this news website folder. So I have WordPress files in my htdocs folder. Now no need of this news website folder name. Okay, WordPress will be installed in the main directory localhost / wp admin. So no need to enter this, you can simply give localhost, it will automatically open this page. So click on let's go. Now you need to create a database. So open localhost / php myadmin or click on mysql admin, this button. Okay, so it will open this page. Now you can click on new database and then give the database name here. So I'll give WordPress, or you can give any other name. So click on create. Now database is created. So in this WordPress database we are going to install. So WordPress is already there. So if you want to install in MyDB, then you have to give name here MyDB, right? So username will be root, that would be this php myadmin, MySQL username, and the password leave it as empty. So database host is localhost, so don't change these two. Simply click on submit. Run the installation. Now database files will be created here. So if you open the WordPress, it is not yet installed. So you can give site title. So if you are making news website, then you can give news website. So username will be admin, or you can change username. Copy this password, enter your email, and then click on install WordPress. So info@whatever website you are working on, or you can keep your Gmail also, no problem. Click on install WordPress. So WordPress is installed now. Now you can see tables are created here. So all these WordPress tables are created: post table, terms, options, links, comments, users table. So all these tables will be created. Creation of these tables is called as installing WordPress. So WordPress is installing now. Success. Now installation is complete. So username is admin, password is, we have copied the password. Click on login. Now enter the username and paste the password. So this is your password. Click on remember me. If you don't click on this, whenever you close the browser, you will be logged out. So if you click on this, you will remain as logged in. Click on login. Now you are logged in into the WordPress admin panel. So this is the WordPress dashboard. So there are some simple links to get you started. So this is site, view site. I will simply close this and then delete this comment. If you want to open the front end, then simply click on this news website. So this is our front end. If you want to go to dashboard, click on same. Here you can switch to front end or back end. If you hold control and then click on this, you will get new tab. So this is localhost admin panel. This is localhost front end. Like this you can install WordPress. So if you want to log out, then simply click on log out. That's it. Again you have to log in using username and password. So if you don't want to remember this password, simply here it will prompt to save the password. Here you can save the password or keep the password simple to remember. Since this is localhost, so nobody is going to hack your website, you can keep simple password also. Like this you can install WordPress, then you can open themes, pages, posts, so you can start working on your WordPress. When your WordPress work is finally completed, then you have to take the zip file of all these folders, and also you have to take the backup of all these tables and upload them in your real hosting where you have taken the hosting. So then website will be live. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you want more tutorials about web development, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.